Assalamu alaikum students. Today it was Friday and the work that we have done in the class subject was English and the topic we did write and colors. First of all, there was an oral introduction on page number 45. Then you have done the activity on the same page. Now the homework is you had done 6 lines in the classroom. Now next 6 lines you have to do from your home. You have to write it plus you have to color it. Let me tell you like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. There are 12 pictures. 6 you did in the classroom. Next 6 you have to do from your home. You have to write accordingly the picture name over here, plus you have to do the colors. Let me show you. Like an owl, an eye, a leaf, a fan, a vest and a girl. You did these 6 in the classroom. Now fish, top, dog, frog, goat and boy. You have to write a or an with these words and you have to put the colors. You can take the help from this portion, this box. They have written all the spellings and use a and an already. Hope you understand it. Plus there is a reminder for you that on Monday you have your dictation test. Learn that as well. Thank you and have a nice weekend.